Morgan from Kenny Adventure Bands, and I'm going to show you how to install the CSS in Storyteller Overland. So first thing, when you get your CSS delivered, you're going to want to look into your storage pack, and then here you're going to have a little care package. In this care package, you're going to have 2 clamps for your CSS right here. So the first thing you're going to do is undo your clamps and then go put these into your L track and your Storyteller. So I've now undone these clamps and then put the L track studs into your L track. What you're going to do next is go grab the large hex wrench provided to you in our care package, and you're going to loosen the L brackets in your CSS. So you're just going to loosen these until they have enough play to move. I'm just going to do that for both brackets. And then once you have enough play to move the brackets, you're just going to grab your CSS and put it into the van.
Do you need an assistant?
The CSS is only like 40 pounds, so you should be able to do it by yourself. So now that you have your CSS in your van, what you want to do is move your L brackets over your L track studs. The other thing with the L track stud is you want to make sure that it doesn't pull out of the groove. So you simply just want to move it until you feel it not pulling out. So right here it's pulling out, and then you just want to move it so that it's locked in. Now that you have everything lined up, you're just going to tighten your L brackets in place. And then once you have both L brackets tightened, you're just going to move the L track stud to the center where it's not pulling out, and then put your clamp on top and clamp it down. Before you get it finally tight, what you want to double check is that the gap on your CSS here and in the rear is the same. So you just want to move your system so it has about 1/8 of an inch gap in the front and then in the back. And then once you tighten down your clamps for your CSS, you have a system that's locked in place and ready for use.